Hello there, this is Rahel from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Costco. So let me take you to the website, which is Costco.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Costco is a membership-based wholesale retailer that sells a wide range of products, including groceries, electronics, furniture, and household goods at discounted prices. Known for its bulk buying model, Costco operates warehouse-style stores where members can purchase items in larger quantities at lower cost. So what you're waiting for? If you're from United States of America and if you like Costco, you can come to the website, explore all about their amazing products and buy anything that you like. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Costco. Possible? Of course, why not? Simply join the affiliate program of Costco, start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic, and when you bring sales to them, you'll get the commission. So who can join the affiliate program of Costco? I didn't find any restrictions at all. So regardless of your country, as an affiliate, you can apply to be part of Costco affiliate program. To the consumers of which country can you promote to get commission? Well, there's a restriction. You will only be able to get commission if you promote them and if you bring sales to them from USA, United States of America. Let's learn more about their affiliate program, but for that, let me take you to the website called cj.com. Now, what does CJ have to do with Costco? CJ is one of the top affiliate marketing network out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliate. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you have to join the respective affiliate network. In our case, if we want to join the affiliate program of Costco, we have to join CJ as an affiliate. So how do you create an account with CJ as an affiliate? For that, you can click on Get Started, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can look at the right-hand side. You can come to the section, Partner with the World's Best Brand, beneath Publishers and Influencers, and click on Sign Up. Now, why Publishers and Influencers? The CJ calls affiliates as publishers, so don't get confused. Once here, click on Sign Up, complete the registration, and get yourself a free affiliate account with CJ. Now, I understand there are many nuances involved while creating an account, so don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use CJ affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. So click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself an affiliate account with CJ. Once you have an account with them, you can come to the website once again. You can click on login. That will take you to this page. Enter your email address and password combination. Click continue, which will take you to something called Publisher Dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands out there, not just Costco, but we will keep the focus of the video as Costco affiliate program. So for that, to locate their affiliate program, you can simply hover over partners. You can click on find advertisers, which will take you to the section. If you look at the left hand side, there's an advertiser search option. Click here and start typing Costco, and you will see this option appear, Costco with this ID. Click here and click on search. You would be able to see Costco affiliate program details here. And within more info, you can see their website. This is the email address if you want to reach out to their affiliate program team and want to ask them anything. And you can see country, United States. So we talked about it. And then if you scroll down, you can see program highlights and more. And to see more commission details, you can click on program terms, and you can see here Action, Costco.com Gold Star or Executive Membership Purchase. You could get 5% on the Gold Star membership and 5% on Executive Membership. So this is the commission that you will earn. This is great. And if you scroll down, you get to see the policies like search campaigns, protected SEM bidding keywords. Scroll down more to even see more details available like website prohibited website domain keywords. If you scroll down, you can even see more details like incentivize traffic. Is it allowed or not? Email marketing allowed or not? Sub-affiliates allowed or not? Social media, that means Facebook, Instagram, all the social media accounts are defined with it. Yes, they are. So like this, you can read, and any question you have in relation to their policies, you'll find the answer of that in here. Otherwise, you can always write an email to them and get more idea. So let's say you have read it and now you want to apply to this affiliate program. For that, you can click on apply to program. It will open up a window and you will see a confirmation over there. It will say application submitted for review. So the moment you clicked here, it basically sent an application to Costco affiliate program team. They will see whether you're good fit for them or not. And they could take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks time, and they can make a decision. Now, assuming you get the approval, you'll be notified by an email. Once you get the email, you can come to CJ Publisher Dashboard once again. hover over partners and go to my advertisers. This will take you to this section here, and over here you would be able to see all the approved brands including Costco. Now let's say you got the approval, then what? Then you can start promoting them. But to promote them, you can't just take any link from their website. You have to use tracking link. How do you get the tracking link? For that, you can hover over campaigns. You can go to links and products with an ad asset, which will take you to this section. Over here on the left hand side, you have to ensure you have tick mark my advertiser only, and from this option you can click on link type, and you can decide whether you want to get a banner link or you want to get a text link or the kind of link. So let's say I'm interested to get the banner link and I have selected my advertiser only. You can also do that, and over here you can search for Costco. But since I'm not yet approved by Costco, so I cannot search. As just an example, I'm gonna select other. So I got this brand here that I have been approved with. It's called justflowers.com. So assuming you get the approval from Costco, you can search for the Costco in here. You can select the link type and then you can click on search. It will show the links within that available link type. So as you can see, these are different banner links available for Just Flower. You can hover over these to get the preview of the banner accordingly. And assuming you have selected Costco, so you would be able to see the preview of banner links for Costco. Now let's say if you like this banner, and assuming this is a banner of Costco, you can click here and you will see more details about that banner. You can click on get code to get the code available for that specific banner link. And as you can see here, HTML link code, so you can copy this link code and integrate it from the backend of your website or blog. Then you also got click URL. You can click on click URL and you can directly get the tracking link if you don't want to get the HTML link code. You can also click on QR code to get a QR code for the tracking link. So like this, you can search for any of the link types, you can get the link code, but let's say you will see a destination URL here. So that means if you're gonna share this click URL with anyone, and if they will click on it, it will take them to this destination URL. But you don't want people to go to this URL regardless of the banner type you're in. Let's say if you want them to go to this URL when they click on your tracking link, so you can copy it, you can come to destination URL section in here, just paste the link in here and update the code in here. So what this will do, this will update your code. And now if you're going to share this link with your affiliates, when they will click on it, it will take them to this destination URL. So what we have learned here, if you want a specific kind of link type, you can choose a link type from here, and then you click on get code to get the get code. But if you want to create your own tracking link, you just update the destination URL in here, and you have to ensure you click on update code, and you can directly take the tracking URL from here. So this is how you can either generate your tracking link or you can use the existing link type link code. Now, if you're interested to get the product links from Costco, you can click on products. You can again search for Costco in here, and you can click on search. This way you would be able to see Costco product links if available. So this is how you can create or get tracking link codes for Costco. But next question arises, where can you promote them? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. So one of the ways is website. Now, it doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you got approval from Costco affiliate program team, you can promote Costco products on your website. Let's say if you like, or if you want to promote them on the homepage, you can do that, or you can also pick category page and promote them. That's totally up to you. Second is blog. Now, blog could be amazing because you could write blog posts about different products of Costco, or maybe in general about Costco. And within blog posts, you can put your tracking link. So this way, when people would read, if they like it, they'll click on the link, they'll buy, and you'll get the commission. Third way is social media. Now, social media would be great because it will allow you to create different type of content. You could create videos, reels, posts, and put your tracking link in the description. This way, when people would click, they'll buy, you'll get a commission. A fourth way, which I feel like is more suited here, and that is shopping website. Now, assuming you got a shopping website, I think that is best kind of website for brands like Costco, because people come to these kind of websites to shop, correct? So maybe you can take different products of Costco and put it within your website within different categories. So when people would come to your shopping website, they'll go to different category and they will find the products of Costco listed over there. If they will like the product, they'll click on those links. They will be taken to Costco website. They'll buy the product and you'll get the commission. Just have to ensure if you're integrating Costco products on your website, use the tracking link available or create your own tracking link the way we have learned. So this is how you can promote them. Next question arises, where would you see your performance? for all the sales you're bringing to them. So for that, you can come to your CJ Publisher dashboard. Once again, over here within Performance Summary, you can update the date range and you will be able to see your commission, sales, leads, clicks, impression, earning per clicks, and conversion. To have detailed reports, you can hover over reports and you can go to performance, which will take you to the performance page. You can update any of these filters and see the performance accordingly in detail. Like this, you can also run program overview, performance from here, transactions, or affiliate consumer journey. So all the commission that has been accumulated, you would be able to see on the top right hand side over here. And if you click here, you would be able to see your balance details. So you can click on balance details and it will give you the bifurcation of the current balance available. This will be the total accumulated amount. So whatever commission has been generated, you would be able to get it from CJ. And in order to get it, you have to ensure you update your payment details. And to update your payment details, you can hover over account, you can click on settings and you can go to payment information from there and have to ensure you have updated your banking details or Payoneer account details. And once you've updated your banking details or Payoneer details, you can expect to receive the accumulated commission issued by CJ to your bank account. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Costco. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start bringing sales to them, and you start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Costco. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.